So I've been working on all of my adjustments and getting everything lined out of my truck, and I got my backup camera now hooked up to the signal when I put it in reverse. You see right now I got it in park, so it say no signal. Bam, check that out. I've been messing with it and figured out how to do it now. So you can tie it into your tail light, and it was easy to tie it into your tail light. When I ran my wiring and stuff, but now they got a few different things where you can actually run it from the inside of your unit and put the and I have a Bluetooth rear view camera, so now you don't have to run wires at all. But this one right here is still a good unit, but now they got them out where you don't have to do that. But I ran my wires, so for those who have to run wires, I put mine in the tail light on the passenger side, so everything turned out good. I enjoyed how it turned out. I just got through trying it out a few times. But that's what I'm doing, man. Sitting around, getting everything cleaned out, working on my stuff to make a few positive moves. So trying to kill a few birds with one stone today. HogOn.